So right now we're inside a MK6 VW Jetta, and the guy with the problem is this little button here. As you can see, when I press it, there should be the power coming up on the dash. So for the ignition power, but nothing is happening. So I have the new part right here. As you can see, this is how the button is supposed to look like, with the nice shiny silver on top. And this is how it looks. You see the bare plastic there, and you see a bit of metal at the edge, but it's all worn out and broken. So this guy is gonna get in. And as you can see, it has like these clips on the side, so we need to pry it out. And for that we're going to use, because I don't have any other tools at hand, a screwdriver and a towel. So we got the screwdriver, get the towel, and then just try to get under it and pry it loose from the bottom there. There we go, and it comes right out. So this is the old and broken button, and for some reason it's all gummed up in there, and certainly some liquid has entered this button. So yeah, it's in for a nice replacement. To disconnect it, you have to push down on this little pin here. So you just pinch it down and slide it right out. And yeah, as you can see, this button has definitely been abused quite a bit. So just make sure to clean this area a bit while I'm at it. And after that, we can put the new button in. The good thing about this style of connector is that it's like non-reversible, so it only goes in this way. And as you can see, as soon as the new button is in, everything works. So all we have to do now is just make sure that the connector is in firmly, and then push the button down there gently, and voila. And after the button is replaced, I can just demonstrate you now that with a single press, every time the ignition comes on and goes off. So I'm not going to start the car right now because I don't need it. I just wanted to replace the button today. When I would hold the button, obviously the engine would start, so I think that's enough of a demonstration to show you the working lights. And yeah, it's a really easy process. I wish I had some better tools than the screwdriver, but I'm just here for an exchange semester right now, so I don't have all my tools that I have at home. I would certainly recommend you guys using the plastic pry tools that I show in my other videos. Or if the only thing you have is a screwdriver, please use a towel so you don't scratch up the rest of your button board there. Yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe and follow for more quick car tips.